Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I wanted to show you how to fix the computer issues in the dryer. We had one here that when you push the buttons, it doesn't react at all. So it tells me that that pad is bad. It's not responding. So we pulled the computer out and sent it into Supercomputer Boards, and they fixed it for like 70 bucks, had it back in 4 days. These are super easy to install. Well, there, that membrane was bad. So that's the one I sent into them. Over time, these go bad. So that's why they staple it on there, so you know what they did. And they clean them up, look them over, test them. And they put the warranty info on there. And another way you'll know if you need a computer is if you're hitting the start button and it's just clicking. You open the door and it clicks off. The click in here, not the click on the door switch, not that one. Then you'll also know your computer's bad. Don't buy a new one, just send it in for rebuild. Ground wire, start with that and make sure the power is off. And your harness. And you see the next one says blue, which means the solid blue, not the blue with white stripe. Red, not the red and white, just the red. Then red and white. And the next one, the harness says red and gray. And look it over. And that's it. And then make sure while you're in there that you clean that out. Clean that cavity out in there. Dust is your enemy of any computer. And plunk a quarter in, and you're good to go. And that's a really easy fix that you can kind of diagnose and do yourself. Well, thanks for watching.